some questions. So let us start now with part 1. Ready?
Yes, ready.
Ready, go. Okay. So, John, when was the last time you were alone?
Okay. When was time?
Yes.
It is a very interesting question. Let me think about that.
Yes.
I have a long time no alone.
Okay.
I think last time alone is
maybe
maybe a month ago.
Oh.
Maybe a month ago. My girlfriend back to home, and I stay at home with myself.
Yeah.
I cannot eat. I eat with myself.
Okay, so you ate alone. Yes. You ate alone,
Yes.
John. Okay, so
It's alone.
Sir. Number 2, John. What do you like to do when you are alone? When you are by yourself? What do you love doing?
Just lying on the bed every whole day.
Okay.
Lying on the bed with my phone. He's my great partner.
Yes.
And he can take me many laughing.
Yes. Yes.
Take to me and laughing. And if I want to eat, just go outside on the restaurant.
And also don't spend quality time with yourself. To spend quality time. Okay, again, nice answer.
Quality time.
Quality time, good. So, John, number 3, last question for part 1. Do you wish to have more time alone? Okay. Do you wish?
I think that is interesting. That is interesting. I don't want.
John, let us move on to part 2. Okay, I will give you time for this, for you to think. Now, our question is, describe a time that you were shopping in the street market. You can say, you can follow this sequence, John. When was it? When was the time? Where you were? The specific place? What you bought? What interests you? Or what are the things that caught your attention? And how you felt about the shopping experience. Okay, John, tell me if you're ready. Okay.
Describe
a time that you were shopping in a street market. Okay, tell me.
Street market.
Okay. Tell me if you're ready.
Yes, ready.
Okay, good.
Yes, ready. Just like today, I buy an ice cream at the street market, and on the Chongqing Street.
Okay.
On the Chongqing Street, and I buy I said that I buy ice cream, and today, and summer is coming.
Yeah.
Today is very hot.
Yes. And John, for part 2, always remember, this is already been taken place. Remember, this is already done, which means
done.
Okay, done. Which means we're going to use past tense. So, John, always be cautious. Always be aware with the past tense that you are using, okay? It should always be, yes, like the word both. Both for the past tense of buy. So, just a simple reminder. Okay, John, for part 2. Okay, but so far, yes, but so far, John, again, you've expressed your story or your sentences clearly. It's understandable, of course.
Yes.
So that's the end of part 2. Now for part 3, John. Okay, I'll be asking you some of the questions. Again, you can answer them and elaborate. You can make your answers longer. So number 1, Do you like shopping
Yes.
in big malls, John? For sure, there are a lot of big malls there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh. Um, I like shopping in a big mall um, because sometimes I like that. I like that.
Yeah.
Because the big mall have more things that you need and many kind of just like bottle. Huh?
Also say, let me say something about. Let me say something about.
About this question.
Okay. About, no, you're not going to say, let me say something about this question. You can say, let's say, for example, number one, right? Do you like shopping in
Mm-hmm.
malls? Okay. You can start your answer by saying, let me say something about the big malls that I've been in, right? So you made use of,
That's
let
good.
me say something about, yes, or let me share to you my experience. So you can start up with those sentences. Okay, John?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but for
Yes. Okay.
yes, for now, I can see that you have a lot of potential. With a little bit of practice, John, you can perfect it. And so far,
Okay.
your pronunciation, your pronunciation, John, is okay. It just takes practice to have that coherence, to have that connectedness in your sentences, and for you to elaborate it more. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, but for now, again, this is teacher Rachel, and it's almost time, John. So, my goodbye to you. Bye for now.
Okay. Bye.